In this mini-series of videos, we have discussed common data problems that can happen in ML pipelines. We have also talked about TensorFlow data validation, which is a tool that can help to make your workflow more reliable. This was just an introduction, and there are more topics to cover. For example, if your serving system is a real-time endpoint, you cannot compare the statistics before predicting as you would do with a batch inference job. However, you could monitor and save the input data, and execute jobs on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis to check for skew or drifts. The architecture is a bit different from what we discussed, but the technology remains the same. For those who are working on AWS, there may be something that turns you off: Apache Beam. TensorFlow data validation at scale means you need to use Apache Beam. However, there is no native service in AWS to execute Beam workflows. Instead of trying to set it up yourself, I would recommend having a look at PiDQ and its Python version, PiDQ. This library is also a data validation module, and the concepts are very similar to the ones we have discussed. It is running on Spark and PySpark, so it's much easier as you can take advantage of AWS Glue to run a serverless job. I've included some links in the description.